of I is igloo. Import. India map. Say and write. Good action. Write I, everybody. Trace. The sound of I is I. Igloo. Ink pot. India map. Aksharan, where is your book? Aksharan book enga? Aksharanoda book enga? Where is your book? Yes, you can trace in that. Okay, no need to write in note. Noteல எழுத வேண்டாம், bookல trace பண்ணுங்க. Can complete till this. Okay, complete this full page. Trace the alphabet. Complete this full page. What is the sound of I? I, ink pot. India map. Good morning, Adya. Take your book, start writing I. I.
I எப்படி எழுதணும்?
என்ன
Everybody say and write. Say and write, everybody. Say and write. What are you all saying? சொல்லிட்டே எழுதுறீங்களா? Sound of I is E. E. Igloo in pot. Good, Aksharan. Good. Finished, everybody? Complete பண்ணியாச்சா? Have you all completed? Shaunath, good. Good, good, very good. Say and write, okay? Say and write. You can do this page as homework, okay? You can color the picture and trace the letter. You can color this picture after class. You can trace this letter. You can do this as homework. Next, we are going to see about sense organ eye. Okay, eye. We all know eyes, right? We have, how many eyes we have? We have 2 eyes. 1, 2. Let's see parts. Okay, eyebrows, eyelashes, eyelid. Yes, eyebrows, eyelashes, eyelid. Everybody say along with me. Eyebrows, eyelashes, eyelashes, eyelid. Okay. Hetvika, please unmute. Hetvika, please unmute. Okay. Can you say the parts? Eyebrows. Where is your eyebrows? Eyebrows, Hetvika, eyebrows. Yes, very good. Eyelashes, 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 eyelid, eyelid, eyelid. What is this? Eyes. How many eyes we have? We have 2 eyes. Eyebrows and the parts is eyebrows, eyelashes, eyelid, eyelid. Okay. We see this world with our eyes, right? நம்ம எப்படி பார்க்கிறோம்? With the help of our eyes. We see this world with help of our eyes. Very good. Thank you, Hetvika. Action, please unmute. Touch your eyebrows. Where is your eyebrows?
Eyebrows.
Yes.
Eyebrows. Eyelid.
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 Eyelid. Eyelid. Very good.
Eyelid.
Thank you. Shaunat. Shaunat, please unmute.
Okay, very good. Shaunit, now listen to me.
Yes. Touch your eyebrow, Shaunat.
Shaunit, where is your eyebrow?
That is Shaunat's eyebrows.
No, not in the book. You have to show your eyebrow. Where is your eyebrow? Your eyebrow.
So
Show.
we'll see that after this topic, okay? Where is Shaunat's eyebrows? Eyebrows enga? Shaunat eyebrows enga? Where is eyebrows?
Show your eyebrow.
Eyebrows. Right? Eyelashes. Shaunat, see here. Shaunat.
Yeah, I will give you. Ma'am is calling. Ma'am is calling. Your eyelashes. Your eyelashes.
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 Show. Show your eyelashes.
Eyelids.
Where is your
Okay,
eyelash?
Shaunat, how many eyes you have? How many eyes you have?
Say two. Loudly
How
say
many
two.
eyes you have?
How many? Say two.
Two. Very good. Okay, where is eyebrows?
Where is your eyebrow?
Hey, look up a minute.
Ah, where is your
Where is
eyebrow?
eyebrows?
Okay, where is your eyebrow?
Very good. Where is eyelids?
Where is
Lids.
your
Eyelids.
Ma'am.
Good. Where is eyelashes? Lashes.
Eyelash? Show.
Very good. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Apramayan, please unmute. Apramayan. Touch your eyebrows. Where is Apramayan? Eyebrows. Very good. Eyelashes. Eyelashes. Very good. Eyelid. Eyelid.
அப்புறம் என்னோட eyelid இது eyelid
Very
Eyelid.
good. How many eyes you have?
எவ்வளவு eyes
Apramayan, how many eyes you have? 4, 5, 6. Huh? Only 2, right?
1 2
Only 2 eyes. We have only 2 eyes. Okay, thank you. Adya. Adya, please unmute. Eyebrows. Where is your eyebrows?
ரெண்டு கையில கம்மி
Eyelashes. Eyelashes. Eyelid. Eyelid.
லீட் எங்க இருக்கு
Lid. Yes. How many eyes you have?
1, 2.
Very good. Yes, only 2 eyes. Only 2. Very good. Thank you. Start with you. Please unmute. Touch your eyebrows. Blinking your eyes.
சரி சரி டச் யுவர் ஐப்ரோஸ் ஐப்ரோ ஆ
Eyelashes.
கிட்ட மேம்
Eyelashes.
ஐலாஷஸ்
Lashes.
ஐலாஷ் ஐலாஷ் ஓ ஐலாஷ் ஆ ஐலிட் எங்க இருக்கு
Eyelid.
ஐலிட் எங்க இருக்கு ம்
How many eyes you have?
ஹவ் many eyes you have
1 eye, 2 eyes.
டோட்டல்
Two wings and
சவுண்ட் சொல்லு
two.
சவுண்ட் இன்னும் சவுண்ட் ம்
Very good. Thank you. Mithu, please unmute. Mithu, touch your eyebrows.
மித்து இங்க பாரு மேம் கூப்பிடுறாங்க பாரு இங்க பாரு மித்து இங்க பாரு
Touch your eyebrows.
இங்க பாரு மித்து சரி ஐப்ரோஸ் மட்டும் அம்மா டச் பண்றேன். நீங்க சொல்றீங்களா ஐப்ரோஸ் காமிக்கிறீங்களா? இங்க பாருங்க, இங்க பாருங்க, இங்க பாரு, இங்க பாரு மேம் பாரு கூப்பிடுறாங்க பாரு. மித்து
Oh,
இங்க பாரு மித்து.
okay, Mithu, touch your eyes. You can
Eyes
touch
touch
only your
பண்ணலாமா?
eyes.
Eyes,
Eyes, please touch your eyes.
ஐஸ் தொடலாமா? கண்ணு தொடலாமா? மித்தோட ஐஸ் எது? ஐஸ் சொல்லுங்க. ஐஸ் சொல்லுங்க. அது சொன்னீங்களா இப்போ? ஐஸ் சொல்லுங்க. ஐஸ் சொல்லுங்கப்பா.
Mithu, eyebrows,
மித்து இங்க பாரு ஐஸ்.
eyelashes,
இங்க பாரு, இங்க பாரு.
eyelid. Yes,
சரி இங்க பாரு மித்து இங்க பாரு.
okay.
சரி காக்கா. ஐஸ் ஐஸ் இங்க. பேரட். சரி ஐஸ் இங்க. சரிடா ஐஸ் காமிப்பா. மித்து இங்க பாரு மேம் வெயிட் பண்றாங்க பாரு. இங்க பாரு
Mithu,
மித்து இங்க பாரு மேம் கூப்பிடுறாங்க பாரு. ஐஸ் இங்க. ஐஸ் இங்க காமி.
Mithu, eyes எங்க?
மித்து ஐஸ் மட்டும் காமிங்க. நான் அம்மா காமிக்கிறேன், நீ காமிக்கிற கூட. இங்க பாரு ஐஸ் காமிங்க. ஐஸ் கை காமிங்கப்பா. ஐஸ். சரி ஓகே மேம் வெயிட் பண்றாங்க ரொம்ப நேரமா. இங்க பாரு.
It's okay, ma'am. No problem, no problem. Mithu, okay, next time சொல்லலாமா Mithu? Okay?
ஓகே ஓகே சொல்லு.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Let's say once again. Eyes, eyebrows, eyelashes, eyelid. Okay, we see this world with our eyes. Okay, shall we move to the next topic? Next topic, Polama. Yes, you can complete the picture of eyes. You can draw, color this picture after class homework. Okay, you can draw eyebrows, eyelashes, எல்லாம் வரைஞ்சிக்கலாம். eyelid அதெல்லாம் வரையலாம். Okay, after the class you can complete. Okay வா? Next we are going to see sense organs. Eyes. Yes, your sense of sight. What is the use of eyes? What we will do, we'll see with our eyes. நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம்? ஐஸ் வச்சு பார்க்கிறோம். We use your eyes to see. Yes, நம்ம எல்லாருமே கண்ணுல தானே எல்லாத்தையுமே பார்க்கிறோம். We see this world. We can see everything else. எல்லாமே நம்ம கண்ணுல தான் பார்க்கிறோம். You can circle the things below that you can see but cannot touch. You can do this as homework. Okay, circle பண்ணனும். எந்தெந்த பிக்சர்லாம் நம்ம வந்து பார்க்கிறோம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு circle பண்ணனும். டச் பண்ண முடியாததெல்லாம் நீங்க circle பண்ண வேண்டாம். But cannot touch. Okay, circle the thing below that you can see but cannot touch. You can do this as homework and draw some other things that you can see but cannot touch. Okay va? You can draw in the space given. இங்க குட்டி குட்டியா ஏதாவது draw பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Okay, after class you can do this as homework. Okay. Okay, next we are going to see the next we are going to see big and small. Big and small. Okay, we already know about this, right? Big and small. How we will show your hands? Hands எப்படி show பண்ணுவோம்? Big எப்படி காமிப்போம்? Big. Can you all show big? Big, small, big, small, big, small, big, small. Right? Very good. Next, see the topic. Pick the animal. Pick the animal which is small and cross the animal that is big. Shall we do this now? இப்ப பண்ணலாமா? Shall we do this now? Small ஆ இருக்கிறது pick பண்ணனும். Big ஆ இருக்கிறது cross பண்ணனும். Shall we do? Shall we do? Let's everybody start doing. See the first picture. First picture பாருங்க. Which is small? Which is small? This yellow color chick is small, right? Tick this one. Small இருக்கிறது tick பண்ணணும். Big இருக்கிறது cross பண்ணணும். Let's do now. Okay? Start doing, everybody. Do like this. Okay? Take the small one, cross the big one. They have given mixed, not only animal. Animal மட்டும் கொடுக்கல, எல்லாமே mix பண்ணி கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Okay? Next, see the second picture, candle. Okay? See this. Which is small one? This one is small. This is big. Small enna பண்ணனும்? We should tick. Let's tick. Okay? What is this? Big, right? Big. So we should cross. Cross. Everybody do this. Complete this page. Okay. Good. Completed, Shawnat. Good, very good. Raj Vidyut, good. Hetvika, good. Nitu, good. Very good. Aksharan, good. Shall we move on to the next topic? Next panlama. Next is match the bigger object with the smaller one by drawing a line. Okay? Bigger இருக்கிறது small ஓட match பண்ண போறோம். One side they have given big, right? Next side they have given small. ஒரு side big object கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Next side they have given small. Small குட்டி குட்டியா கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. We are going to match this using lines. Shall we do? Start பண்ணலாமா? Yes. See this. Can you find this here? In the side irka? Yes. Shall we draw a line like this? Yes. Draw the line. What is that? Ship, right? We are matching big ship with smaller one. Next is banana. Big, small. Next one, house, right? Fourth one is potato. Good Aksharan, good Raj with you. Chaunit, good. Mitu, good. Hetpika, good. Aprameyan, good. Okay, very good. Yeah, till this we have completed. You can do something we have left before, right? கொஞ்சம் முன்னாடி விட்டுருக்கோம் அதெல்லாம் you can do it as homework. Let's continue from the story tomorrow. Okay. Okay. Bye bye. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye everybody. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. Bye.
Thank you.